In this video, we get a behind the scenes look of how I drew this toe drawing. So I'm in Procreate, I start sketching. I put a toe drawing on the side just to see the proportions. On the top right, you see me sketching, trying to keep those proportions in mind. Thinking of action line, creating curves, making sure that they're dynamic, that the poses have a good silhouette. I decided to take the second one. This is a rough sketch. Now this is the second pass of my sketch, which is trying to construct it in perspective to have everything looking correct. If a drawing is not in perspective or in proportion, people find it weird or feel like there's something wrong. So this step is very important. Second step, make sure that your perspectives are going in the correct direction and is looking believable. This third step is refining these sketches so it can prepare me for the inking process. Here I'm having slight indications of where shadows will be and trying to make sure that the lines are pleasing to me. I'm going through each finger, going through the shirts, thinking about how gravity is pushing down on the figure. Going over lines just to make it more crisp. Here I upscaled it so I can start inking. I take one of the basic inking brushes that Procreate has. I start going over my third sketch. As you see here, I finish the line work and I start inking it using the reference layer in Procreate. Here I start indicating where shadows are with a multiply layer. And then around the shadow, I make it smooth. I created a feather because I wanted more of a occlusion shadow instead of a sharp shadow. And I put secondary lighting to make it have more depth. And that's the end of this video. If you found this video insightful, helpful, or inspiring, please give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a friend that you think might like this video, please share it with them. See you guys next time.